Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and now you can adjust brightness level of the display on this slider, or enable and disable automatic brightness. Next, you can enable or disable dark mode, schedule it, and same with eye comfort mode, plus you can change filter level and enable or disable flicker reduction. Then you can change text size and text weight. Same with display size. Then you can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. And next you can change color mode and temperature between normal and vivid, default warm or cool, or custom. Next, we can change screen resolution between smart, high and low, screen refresh rate between dynamic, high and standard. You can enable or disable HDR images, manage full screen display for apps, and in the end you can hide notch. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.